Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on this. The gentleman that suggested the way I do this uh, told me another way to do it, or told me the way he would do it, and it worked. I've got these broken pieces, so if you haven't watched the first videos, you might be a little bit confused. We've got these two nodes that will not join unless you can't join them from the normal shaping menu. What his suggestion was, and it works, is to take and select it all and weld it. And then you can go to that corner and grab those two nodes and right there join two nodes, and it works. I'm not for sure if it's still any faster than what I did, but it is another lesson. And I thank him for telling me about it and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.